Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will learn about adjective and its kind. I'll tell you what are adjective and how many kinds are there. So first of all I'll tell you what is an adjective. Adjective is a word which gives information about a noun or pronoun. In grammar we say that an adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. Modifies here mean change pronoun or noun by giving more information about them. So guys, an adjective is a word which qualifies or tells more about a noun or pronoun. So guys, adjective is a word which tells us about the quality and disquality of a noun or pronoun. Now students, we will talk about the kinds of adjective. So move to very first kind of adjective, and that is adjective of quality. Students, adjective of quality shows kind or quality of a person, place or thing. Here I have written a couple of examples. The first example is Lahore is a large city. In this sentence the word large is adjective of quality. Second sentence is the foolish crow tried to sing. In this sentence the word foolish is adjective of quality. Now students, move to second kind of adjective, and that is adjective of quantity. So students, adjective of quantity shows how much of thing is meant. Here I have written two examples. The first is he has no sense. In this sentence the word no is adjective of quantity. Move to second example, and that is it is sufficient water. In this sentence the word sufficient is adjective of quantity, which tell us that how much water is there. Now students, we will talk about the third kind of adjective, and that is demonstrative adjective. Students, demonstrative adjective points out which person or thing is meant. Now move to example, this flower is lovely. In this sentence the word this is demonstrative adjective. Second example is I hate such things. In this sentence the word such is demonstrative adjective because it's point out the thing which is meant. Now students, we will talk about a fourth kind of adjective, and that is emphasizing adjective. Students, emphasizing adjective lays emphasis on some noun. Now move to example, she saw it with own eyes. In this sentence the word own is emphasizing adjective. Second example is hard work is the very reason of his success. In this sentence the word very is emphasizing adjective. Student, basically emphasizing mean give special importance and stress on some specific words. Now guys, move to fifth kind of adjective, and that is exclamatory adjective. Sometimes what is used as an exclamatory adjective. Now move to example. The first one is what a splendid building. In this sentence we have used what as a exclamatory adjective, and at the last of the sentence I have put here exclamation sign. Second example is what a wonderful invention. It's also a exclamatory adjective, and I have put here exclamation sign. In both sentences what work as a exclamatory adjective. Now guys, we will talk about sixth kind of adjective, and that is interrogative adjective. Students, what, which and whose are used with noun to ask questions. Therefore they are called interrogative adjective. Now move to example. The first example is which things should we buy from here. In this sentence the word which is interrogative adjective. Second example is whose chair is this. In this sentence the word whose is interrogative adjective because we have used it in the sentence to ask any question. Our next kind of adjective is numeral adjective. Students, numeral adjective shows how many person or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stand. Now move to example, all men must die. In this sentence the word all is numeral adjective. Monday is the first day of the week. In this sentence the word first is numeral adjective. So guys, numeral adjectives are two kinds. First one is definite numeral adjective and second is indefinite numeral adjectives. First of all, we'll talk about definite numeral adjectives. They include cardinals like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and ordinal like first, second, third and so on. Now we will talk about indefinite numeral adjectives. They don't denote an exact number like all, many, any, several, etc. Okay. Now guys, we will talk about the 8th kind of adjective, and that is proper adjective. Students, these adjectives are formed from proper noun. Here I have written proper nouns and here I have written proper adjectives. So move to very first proper noun, and that is Arab, and the proper adjective of Arab is Arabian. Second proper noun is Pakistan, and proper adjective of Pakistan is Pakistani. Third proper noun is Punjab, and the proper adjective of Punjab is Punjabi. So guys, as you know, proper noun are the name of some particular person, place or thing. Now guys, we will talk about the last kind of adjective, and that is possessive adjective. Student, possessive adjective shows possession. Move to example, she has ruined her health. In this sentence, the word her is possessive adjective. Second example is this is my car. In this sentence, the word my is possessive adjective because it shows the possession. Now students, we will discuss about the comparison of adjectives. The degrees of comparison are 3 in number. The first is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. So first of all, we will discuss about positive degree. Students, positive degree simply shows the quality of a person or thing. Here I have written one example. Hamid is an intelligent student. In this sentence, the word intelligent is positive degree. Now move to second degree, and that is comparative degree. Comparative degree gives comparison between two nouns. Now move to example. Hamid is wiser than Ali. In this sentence, the word wiser is comparative degree. So guys, one more example is she is more beautiful than Nida. So we can say that we can add er later of positive degree. It's also called comparative degree, and when we add more before positive degree, it's also called comparative degree. Likewise is positive degree, and the comparative degree of wise is wiser, and beautiful is positive degree, and when we make its comparative degree, then it will become more beautiful. Now guys, we will discuss about the last degree, and that is superlative degree. Students, superlative degree show comparison of more than two person or thing. Now move to example. Hamid is the wisest boy in the class. In this sentence, the word wisest is superlative degree. So students, keep one thing in your mind. We have to write the in front of the superlative degree. So students, we can say that when we add est after positive degree, it's called superlative degree, and when we write most before positive degree, it's also called superlative degree. As I say, she is the most beautiful girl in the class. In this sentence, the word most beautiful is superlative degree. So now guys, let's have a quick recap of today's video. In today's video, we have discussed about the definition of adjective and its kind, and the comparison of degrees. We have discussed 9 kinds of adjective, and that are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, demonstrative adjective, emphasizing adjective, exclamatory adjective, interrogative adjective, numeral adjective, proper adjective, and the last one is possessive adjective. I hope your concept regarding adjective and its kind will be cleared after watching my today's video. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.